Sometimes I will see something and pick up my camera and just press record. Hours and hours of unfinished, unpublished footage. Just images that seem important at the time, but I never find the courage or the point in publishing, in editing them to a finished video. Maybe it's just my inferiority complex that I am not a photographer, I'm not a videographer, my framing is not perfect, my picture quality is not perfect. I wasn't a videographer or a photographer, I wasn't a picture guy by trade forever before starting this YouTube channel. But still, it's a bit of an obsession. I will see something that catches my eye and take my camera out and start shooting. And I'm always carrying a camera, constantly, in my pocket, on a shoulder strap, in my hands. Never miss the opportunity. Somewhere inside, I feel like I am creating art. But then again, it's just me and a camera. It's not art. It's just my vision of that moment. It's in my head, it's in my heart, and if it resonates with any of you, then that's a miracle. Mostly what all this is about is to create something beautiful on a daily basis, to make this world a better place, for me, to make my world a better place. And I think that's all we can do. I think that's all anyone can do. Create a better place for themselves, and hopefully through that, create a better world for the people around them as well. Help me create a better world, and I'll help you create a better world. And if we help each other, something will come of it. Be kind, my friends. Be kind.